Clicky is a visual reasoning agent. It should be able to reason through any content, click on anything, and then kind of guide you through there. So I'm going to show you basically how I've been working with this. So I have Clicky. As you can see, he's on my cursor. Hey, Clicky, a lot of things went wrong, and I'm losing a lot of money. Can you teach me exactly what was happening? Can you trace up the raises and the falls? Can you also suggest some stop losses and take profits? On top of that, can you trace down the dip as well?
All right, let me walk you through everything on this SOL chart. The rally, the dip, and where your level should be. First, here's the big dip zone on the left side of the chart. Price dropped hard, down toward the 76 to 78 range. Then price started climbing back up through April. This is the recovery and first push higher. It consolidates through April and May before making a strong push up into that 97 to 100 range near the top right. That red TP and SL tag visible near the top, that's your open trade, and it's currently down over $8,100 unrealized. Open trade, losing $8,108. Now, let me show you where a smarter stop loss and take profit would sit on this structure. Here's the drop from the recent highs. Price peaked near 100 and has been falling back toward the 86 to 88 support area.
Perfect.
That dashed horizontal line around 86 to 87 is acting as support. This is where you'd want a stop loss
now
just below it.
You see, it discovered a
reasonable
stop
stop
loss for me.
loss sits
Oh
around
my God, this
84
is
to
perfect.
85, below that dash support,
This is perfect.
giving it a small buffer.
And look at that.
And for take profit,
I can bring
you
that down.
target the 97 to 100 range at the top, that previous resistance where price already got rejected.
So right here.
The core problem here is the trade entered near the top of a push with no buffer on the downside. The SL was too tight or missing entirely. Do you want me to walk through how to set those SL and TP levels in the trading panel on the right, or analyze the entry timing on the candles?
I want you to analyze more entry timings, but I want a full demo with using all the tools in your disposal. Think circles, shapes, highlighting, selection, anything that you need. Can you also, before you even begin, can you first flatten this and make sure all my money is back into the funds?
All right, first things first. Let me hit that flatten button to close out your position and get your funds back. Position is closed. The market order executed at 96.28. Funds are freed up. Now let me walk you through entry timing analysis on this chart. First, let's look at the big picture dip that ran from around mid-April all the way down to late April. This was your main swing low. SOL bottomed out around $78 here. This is where a long entry would have been ideal. Now look at the recovery rally from that bottom. Price climbed steadily up through May, making higher lows. The best long entry timing would have been the first green candle after the bottom, right around late April when price bounced off 78. Best long entry zone,